Hello everyone! In this tutorial, we'll explore how to get started with Google Sheets. We'll learn the very basic things, how to open Google Sheets, create a spreadsheet from a template, also how to add data to a spreadsheet, and so on. Google Sheets is a cloud-based spreadsheet software included with Google Workspace. With Sheets, we can open, edit, and convert Microsoft Excel file, and then it's a powerful software for storing, analyzing, and presenting data that we can share our spreadsheet with anyone and edit it in real time with collaborator. There are many ways to create or access a new Google Sheet. One of them is Google Drive. Google Drive is a cloud storage for your file. Let's navigate to Sheets.new on the browser to create a new spreadsheet. A new blank spreadsheet will open in a new browser tab. You can take some time to explore the feature of Google Sheets. It's quite like Microsoft Excel, of course. It has a function too. And back to Google Drive, where our spreadsheets are automatically saved in our My Drive. In Google Drive, go to a new folder and find Google Sheets. Select over the arrow and we've got two options, blank spreadsheet and from a template. Let's click on the template first. The template gallery shows a spreadsheet that already been formatted for a purpose like an invoice, annual budget, planner, and many more. We can also upload spreadsheet we create in Microsoft Excel to our Google Drive, and then we can edit in our Google Sheet. Okay, now I will open the simple Google Sheet file in my Google Drive. You can download this Google Sheet from the link below. I want to add some data to this Google Sheet. The simplest way to add data to a spreadsheet is to type number or tag into a cell. Let's type in the cell QTR1. Then click the next cell, or just hit the tab button to move to the next cell and type QTR1 and type QTR2 at column E and repeat the same method to December column. Okay, but I want the column and the left side in this example. QTR here is quarter. And then we want to add an empty column. Click on column A and then click insert one column right. and then type the data on this new column, column A. Here I want to show how to add data in a short way by using the Fill Handle tool. After we type, click this little box on the corner and drag it down. Wow! So you will save much time instead of typing one by one. And repeat the same step. So now we are going to format our Google Sheet. Go back to this row, QTR. Click QTR1 on column C and Shift plus click QTR1 on column E. Then click on the Merge All feature. And do the same thing for the rest. And then choose center alignment for each QTR data to align content, middle, and center. And now let's do this column. Select from this to this, merge all, and repeat the same method for the rest. Now I want to format this sheet by changing the font and background color of a cell or range of cells. Select cell QWERTY1 and press and hold Shift on the keyboard. Then click on QWERTY4. And from January to February, press bold and can change the font type from this tool. And I'll do the same formatting for this column. And then you can change the background color of a shell or range of shell with the Change Fill Color toolbar icon. Let's do this. Select cell QWERTY1 while pressing and hold Shift on the keyboard. Then click on QWERTY4 and fill in the color toolbar icon with the color you want. Select B2, press and hold Shift, then select cells M19. and click on the border icon on the toolbar. Border are the line around a cell. The options for border include changing the style of the outline, including line thickness, dotted or dash, and color. Border can be applied on any side of a cell or group of cells. Select the populated cell in the spreadsheet. Click on the border icon in the toolbar and assign a solid border. Data can span multiple cells by merging those cells together. Cells can be merged horizontally, vertically, or both. And then we'll format this column. Click on the Format menu and you can toy with the position. Let's try. Rotate up first. And select all cells. Go to Format menu, find Wrapping, and click on Wrap. Go to Vertical Align on this toolbar and choose Middle. Yeah. Okay, go back to this column. Let's make it more professional. Click on Format, go to Rotation, and click Unknown. We need to fix this part. To make it more professional, click on these two rows, C10 and N11. And now we'll need to add value to the data or number we have here. Select C4 and 19, go to Format menu and go to Number. There are many options we can use for person, scientific, financial, or currency. Let's click on currency. Wow! Finally, in this tutorial, we'll learn how to freeze row and column. In Excel and Google Sheets, both row and column can be frozen, which can be useful if we want to view a header row while scrolling through many rows of data. To freeze a row or column, select row 3. Open the View menu, hover over Freeze, and then select up to row 3. A thick gray line will appear at the end of the frozen row or column. This line can be dragged later to change the range of cells that are frozen. And now select column B, open the View menu, hover over Freeze, and then select up to column B. So now we have a frozen column and header row at the top of a sheet. It makes it easier to reach a large data. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you on the next tutorial.